Welcome to this lesson on plant reproduction. Plants have amazing abilities to create new offspring, ensuring their species continues to thrive. In this video, we will explore the two main ways plants reproduce: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Understanding these methods will help you appreciate how plants spread across different environments and adapt to their surroundings. Plants reproduce in two fundamental ways. The first method is sexual reproduction, which involves flowers and seeds. This process is similar to how many animals reproduce, requiring genetic material from two sources. The second method is asexual reproduction, where plants create identical copies of themselves without needing another plant. Each method has its own advantages and is used by different types of plants in nature. Before we dive deeper, let us define what reproduction means. Reproduction is the biological process by which plants make new individuals, called offspring. This process is essential for the survival of plant species. Without reproduction, plants would eventually die out and disappear from Earth. Every plant species has developed its own unique reproductive strategies to ensure the next generation thrives. Sexual reproduction in plants is a fascinating process. It requires two parent plants or two reproductive cells to combine their genetic information. This combination creates offspring with genetic variation, meaning the new plants are not identical to either parent. The process produces seeds through pollination and fertilization. This genetic diversity helps plants adapt to changing environments and survive different conditions. Sexual reproduction follows three main steps. First, pollination occurs when pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of a flower. This transfer can happen through wind, insects, birds, or other animals. Second, fertilization takes place when the pollen joins with the ovule inside the flower. Finally, seed formation begins as the fertilized ovule develops into a seed, often protected inside a fruit. These seeds can then grow into entirely new plants. Many plants around us reproduce sexually. Flowering plants like roses, sunflowers, and apple trees are common examples. These plants produce colorful flowers that attract pollinators and eventually form fruits with seeds. Cone-bearing plants, also called conifers, such as pine trees, spruce, and fir trees, also reproduce sexually. Instead of flowers, they produce cones that contain seeds. Both groups rely on sexual reproduction to create diverse offspring. Now let us explore asexual reproduction. This method requires only one parent plant to create offspring. The new plants produced through asexual reproduction are genetically identical to the parent, essentially making them clones. This process is generally faster than sexual reproduction because it does not require flowers, pollination, or seed formation. Many plants use asexual reproduction to quickly spread and colonize new areas. Plants use several different asexual reproduction methods. Runners are stems that grow along the ground and form new plants at various points. Tubers are underground stems that store food and can sprout into new plants. Bulbs are underground buds that develop into complete new plants. Finally, cuttings occur when parts of a plant, like stems or leaves, develop roots and grow independently. Each method allows plants to reproduce efficiently without seeds. You have probably encountered plants that reproduce asexually. Strawberries and spider plants use runners to spread. Potatoes and ginger grow from tubers, which is why you can plant a potato piece and grow a new plant. Onions, garlic, and tulips reproduce through bulbs. Roses and jade plants can grow from cuttings, which is a common technique used by gardeners. These examples show how widespread asexual reproduction is in the plant kingdom. Let us review what we have learned. Sexual reproduction creates diverse offspring through the formation of seeds, allowing plants to adapt to different environments. Asexual reproduction produces identical clones quickly and efficiently, helping plants spread rapidly. Both methods are important for plant survival and distribution in nature. Different plants use different reproductive strategies depending on their environment and needs. Understanding these processes helps us appreciate the incredible diversity and adaptability of the plant kingdom.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.